When I talk to clients that have been injured as a result of a bicycle accident, and when they're in the hospital, they're very emotional, they're worried, they have broken bones, they have road rash, they've had surgery, they're worried about how they're gonna have their medical bills paid, they're worried about their lost wages, they're worried about their future. They may not know they can have a claim against an automobile because they were on a bicycle. The rules of the road apply to automobiles and bicycles, and we're experts in that area. I try to lower their stress to explain my experience in handling bicycle cases, explain that the automobile that hit them is responsible for their injuries, and that we will access their insurance coverage to make sure they're fully and completely compensated. I explained to them that we will help negotiate with their medical providers to get their bills paid, to get their lost wages paid, and make a claim against the automobile company's insurance to make sure they're fully, completely compensated.
The meniscus between the top of my leg and the bottom of my knee, behind my kneecap, was completely gone. It ripped everything out of it. It ripped tendons. It was a disaster case. I was worried about the things that were coming down the road, my bills, gas for the car, groceries, just everything in general that you do on a day-to-day basis with two legs, I couldn't do for probably close to 3 months on one leg.
Some of the biggest mistakes that the clients make are talking to the insurance company on the telephone when they're in the hospital. The insurance company is trained to get statements that are beneficial for their motorist and against the bicycle rider. Do not give an insurance statement. Clients also think that they have a bunch of time to investigate, and the insurance company will give an objective investigation. But if lawyers are hired, they will gather evidence that is favorable for the bicycle rider.
The firm's like family down here to me. They were awesome. If I needed a ride, helped me get my prescriptions, took care of the people at work, told them what was going on. I didn't have to do a thing but just stay on the couch or lay in the bed and take my meds and do doctor's appointments and get better. Everything was taken care of.
My advice to you is to hire a lawyer, because that insurance company is investigating and gathering evidence against you. And you don't have to pay a lawyer until the case is over with. You pay a percentage of what the lawyer gets you. So if the lawyer doesn't get you anything, you don't owe him anything.
Anything we need, anybody I know has questions about the law, questions about anything to do with maybe even retirement, any kind of an accident, anything to do with legal representation, it'd be Nimmons Malchow. They're like family to us. They're great.